the past few days. The dangers that the current system is showing to us. As I said, kung nagre-renew ka sa Stratcom, wala pong nakakabit, paano nga nare-renew? Walang nakakabit sa Stratcom eh. Paano yung parallel use? How can you use Stratcom if nothing is connected to it? Kung hindi nakakabit yung mga medical clinic, kung hindi nakakabit yung insurance company, kung hindi nakakabit yung driving school. So paano ka nakakagamit ng Stratcom? Paano siya nakaka-issue ng renewal kung hindi na-check yung validity ng requirement? Pangalawa yun, which is the second point. Ang may nagsabi sa akin, and I can confirm, na may bypass feature ng Stratcom para ma-register mo. Okay. Lastly, the integrity of the LTO data is compromised. It creates public confusion. Yung iba may resibo, computer fee. Yung iba may resibo, wala. So who decides? The LTO office? Alam ba nung tao before i-issue Stratcom? Sir, itong Stratcom may 169. Sinasabi ba ng mga opisina ng LTO yon? Or bigla na lang makikita mo 169? Okay. Last night, so again, LTO State of the Nation. Okay. What has happened in the past? Okay. Massive fraud is happening. Kasi nga, yung isang sistema walang control. Okay, there was a report about the Bugatti. Remember the famous Bugatti? Yeah. Right? Ano nangyari doon? Meron bang big fish na nahuli? Diba? Rappler wrote about this, diba? I'll show you the article. Nung sorry, Bugatti. Okay. Nung Rappler wrote about this, no, March 1, in-expose niya yung issue. In this article, nakalagay na rehistro po yung Bugatti sa Stratcom. At pinagre-report ang Stratcom anong nangyari at bakit narehistro yung Bugatti. So this was March. Today's May. Where's the report? Where is the big fish? Yeah, the only thing that's factual, na rehistro sa Stratcom. Okay?